Okay, hello everybody, thank you for assembling. And I hope you've all enjoyed the community and outreach day of the Games Academy Expo. Thank you all so much for... It has been a fantastic day. I've had a lovely time dashing back and forth between different bits of the university, bringing different people to see all the amazing stuff that you've all been making. I'm so proud of every single one of the students who's contributed so much to excellent games that we've got on show today. Everything from first year games right through to games on our master's programs and our incubator. It's some of the stuff which has been produced here is absolutely industry standard, and I'm sure that will be confirmed by industry guests in our industry day tomorrow. It's been an absolute privilege to see all of your work today, and this event has just been so fantastic. It's been more than we hoped for, and it's been organised so well, particularly by the technician team led by technician Matt, who always deserves a round of applause. Thank you. So it is my privilege to be allowed to announce the results of the People's Choice votes today, which have been running on those voting booths on either side of us by everybody who's been attending the Expo. So this isn't something that's been decided by the staff or been put together in that way. This is entirely based on the public who've been coming through today. We've seen so many visitors. We've seen kids from little kids from local schools right through to applicants who are thinking of coming on the courses next year, right through to VIPs. I saw the provost playing some of the games and voting on some of them today as well. She was very keen to make sure her vote got counted too. So there's been all kinds of people coming through today and playing the games, and this is the results of the People's Choice votes. So, I need to make sure I don't have an Oscars moment here. The very first one is the first year game People's Choice Award goes to McMark by Clockworks. Congratulations, McMark. Come up and get your certificates and your prizes. Do we have McMark to come up onto the stage? Come on up, folks. Congratulations, well done. We've got certificates and prizes for you. Well done, really great stuff. Congratulations. I think we should try and get something put on the booths so that people know who it is who's won the prizes, and we can put that forward so everyone can go and swarm around their game and give it a go. So very well done to McMark by Clockworks. Congratulations. Without any further ado, we're already on this side. Just checking we're already on this side. Yeah, there'll inevitably be some team members who couldn't make it around here. Without further ado, the second year game, People's Choice Award, goes to Free Flight by Glide Away Games.
Good morning, sleepyhead. We've arrived at your allocated planet. It is your first day on the job. How are you feeling? Well, you're not going to get much done hovering about like that. time to get to work. Now, go out there and make Mother proud. I am detecting a number of unidentified signals. The air is buzzing with them. Of course, they are most likely from far-off planets and are none of your concern. Signals from far-off planets frequently bounce around the outer space. In fact, I'm not even sure why I considered bringing it up. Would you like another cup of tea? You deserve a refreshing beverage after all your hard work.
Good morning, worker 200555781. It has come to my attention that your ship has been receiving signals emanating from a nearby source. Please ignore them. That is all. I hope you continue to be a productive member of the Lunation Empire Industries family.
Now, that doesn't seem like a very good idea, does it?
This is a distress signal from worker 20052689. Trapped at center of planet without a ship. Urgent help required. This is a distress signal from worker 20052689.
Well, that was a bit strange, wasn't it?
I'm amazed it's all worked so well, to be frank. So much of this is completely new to us, especially at this kind of scale. It's amazing to be doing it at this kind of scale. So, the third year game, People's Choice Award, goes to, drumroll please, Blade Gunners by Mediocre Reality. Come on up. Well done, folks.
Sorry for interrupting this broadcast of Blade Gunners. We would like to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Enter the draw now by buying one of our products for a chance to be in the arena. Here is one of our previous winners.
Woo! I totally won, man! I won the Blade Gunners game! I used shotguns, I used snipers, pistols, and I had my three best buddies by my side defeating 4 other people! It was crazy!
Now back to the show.
And they did all the network coding and everything. It's a heck of an achievement. We're launching an esports course next year, and we're really hopeful that there'll be connections with games like that, which our esports students can be working on and working with. So, dead impressed with Blade Gunners. Well done, Blade Gunners. And I haven't seen that booth empty all day. I haven't seen a single empty seat in that booth all day. So, very impressive. Well done. And the last People's Choice Award, the postgraduate students People's Choice Award, which includes all the students on our various different master's courses. The Master's People's Choice Award goes to Ludophoria with Hour of Satan. done, Jamie and everybody.
Explore the twisted and tangled roots of the many hells. Play as a lost girl, wrongly sent to this wretched place. And her oversized arm, possessed by Satan. Grab someone close and descend this two-player platformer. To uncover the wicked truth. Arm of Satan.
Talking about innovation, this is a genuinely exciting game by one of the teams in our incubation program. I'm really proud that the people, the kind of general public, also enjoyed it as much as we all have. It's an outstanding title, and I encourage anybody to play it, especially if you've got a significant other who you want to have a row with afterwards. It's absolutely ideal for breaking up relationships, causing all kinds of stress. It's a really fun game. It's played on the arcade machine over that way. Well worth a go. Great fun. Well done. So, well done to all of our successful winners today. It's always tough to win a public vote, so congratulations to you. It's a proper test. And there's more awards tomorrow. There'll be lots more awards announced tomorrow. There'll be some extra staff choice awards from all over the shop, all sorts of different staff categories that we're giving awards in, some daft, some very serious. And there will be industry awards as well. Tomorrow, games industry recruiters, games industry teams, and more alumni from GA are also coming down to look over your games, give you advice about how to get into the industry, and generally, support you in your journey to getting excellent games and creative tech jobs. There'll be people from Epic Games. There'll be, I'm hoping that one of my contacts from Square Enix will show up. There'll be a whole cadre of people from Mediatonic. There's a whole bunch of people coming to the show tomorrow. So they will have been playing your games on itch.io already as well, so industry guests, we won't just be about the experience on the show floor, they will definitely have played your games beforehand too. They've been sent them a while ago, so please make sure to have a chat with them if you can tomorrow. They will be sharing all of their tips and experience and getting into the games industry. There'll be speakers and panels. We'll be opened by the first night of video games, so Ian Livingston will be giving our opening talk tomorrow, and then we have panels, one panel on getting into the games industry, which includes senior recruiters from major companies. I believe a Sony recruiter will be there to talk that through, so can't say you don't get it from the horse's mouth. And then a second panel, which I'm really excited about the current state of the games industry and what we can do to change it, including two badass twin designers from Nerd Pirates who are going to be really cool to listen to. So that's all happening tomorrow, but I want to say thank you today to our alumni panelists who came in and gave so much of their time. Thank you so much to Eric, Will, Miles, John, Oscar, Charlie, Marie. Really grateful to you for your contributions. But most of all, it's just nice to see you all again, and to see faces from GA's past who have come back and have done so well at such major companies. We're dead proud of you, and we hope that this can be the beginning of a regular connection that can last for years at this Expo event. It's been absolutely stoked to see you again, and hope to see you around tomorrow as well if you can make it. So thank you very, very much to them. Thank you so much to all the students for showcasing their games, and thank you so much to the staff who've worked overtime, literally lots and lots of overtime, arranging this event, putting this event together, and done so much to make this the fantastic event that it's been. We'd like to start closing things out for a closing time of 6 o'clock. So there's a little bit more time to play some games, but if you can please start thinking about making a move so that we can close things out at 6 on the dot, that would be great. Thank you all so much. I've had a lovely day myself, so much obliged, and see you all tomorrow for the Industry Day.